Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be opening up a GoPro. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we got our materials, the Storpedo screwdriver set, an amazing set. I would recommend it to anyone. So, put on our first bit, try to open it up. It's getting a little troubles, but just take off the screws starting off. Consider hitting that like button and the subscribe button if you like my content. Okay, here I had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out, but I'll get it eventually. Alright, there's the kickstand. Or whatever you call it. Time to get inside this thing. Alright guys, this part took a lot longer than I thought it would, so we're about to get this open. Transition coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, transition! Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're in this thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. And open sesame. Alright, now that we're inside of this thing, let's see these components. Looks like we've got a screen, main board. Look, I'm gonna try to get the screen out here. Time's lab. Woo, that was fast. Aha, comes clean out just like butter. Now just one more cable and this screen's free. It's free! Time lapse. Aha, now we're getting somewhere. Oops, looks like I popped something. Oh well. Now it looks like there's a small battery in there. Let's see if I can get that out without breaking it. Nice. Alright, last but not least, time lapse. Oh, and by the way, what you're seeing is me trying to get the plastic off the camera. Okay, back to the video. Alright, I think that's everything. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, Tristan Tech Talk, out.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting